sometimes we think that eating healthy means giving up all the sweet stuff. Well, one of the sweetest foods on earth is actually one of the healthiest and is made by one of the most important creatures on the planet. Today we're talking about honey, nature's golden medicine made by the bees that literally keep our world alive. Before we dip into the benefits, I have to warn you, we keep losing bees at the rate we are right now. Foods like honey and even your favorite fruits and vegetables might vanish from our plates. So today we're giving bees their flowers, literally, while learning how this liquid gold can heal your body, boost your energy, and even support your gut health. All right, let's get into it. Before we dive into the benefits, let's give the real credit where it's due, to the bees. Bees make honey from the nectar of flowers. They collect it, store it in their honey stomachs, yes, that's a thing, and once they're back at the hive, they pass it mouth to other worker bees. This process reduces the water content and thickens it into the golden syrup we love. And get this, one honeybee only makes about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in her entire lifetime. So that spoon you put in your tea, that's hundreds of bees saying, "You're welcome." And when we talk about saving the bees, it's not just about honey. Bees are pollinators, meaning they help 1 in every 3 bites of food we eat exist. Without them, fruits, veggies, and nuts would disappear fast. So supporting local beekeepers or planting pollinator-friendly flowers in your yard actually supports our entire food system. Not all honey is created equal. The type of flower the bee visits determines the color, the flavor, and even the health benefits. Here are a few worth knowing. Wildflower honey. Made from a mix of flowers, it's usually darker with a rich floral flavor. Great all-purpose honey for tea or toast. Clover honey. Light, mild, and probably what you'll find in most grocery stores. Manuka honey. This one's the celebrity honey. It comes from New Zealand, made by bees that pollinate the Manuka bush. It's prized for its antibacterial and wound healing properties. Some studies even show it can help with sore throats and gut health. Buckwheat honey, dark and molasses-like, packed with antioxidants. It's like the red wine of honey. Acacia honey, light, golden, and slow to crystallize. Perfect if you want something delicate and smooth. Honey isn't just a sweetener, it's basically nature's first aid kit. Natural antibacterial and antioxidant power. Raw honey contains enzymes and polyphenols that fight inflammation and free radicals. Manuka honey takes this to another level with methyl glyoxal, a compound linked to its healing effects. Soothe sore throats. A spoonful of honey can coat your throat and calm irritation. There's a reason Grandma swore by it in tea. Gut health booster. Raw honey acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut, which, we love around here. Energy support. Because honey contains natural sugars like glucose and fructose, it provides a quick energy boost, great before a workout or mid-afternoon slug. Skincare. It's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. That's why you'll find honey in face masks, lip balms, and even some shampoos. Here are a few of my favorite ways to enjoy honey other than eating it straight from the jar. Stir it into herbal tea instead of sugar. Drizzle it over Greek yogurt or oatmeal for natural sweetness. Whisk it into salad dressings with olive oil and mustard. Add a spoonful to your post-workout smoothie for a natural carb boost. Mix it with lemon juice and warm water in the morning. Great for digestion and metabolism. If you want to help the pollinators that make honey possible, here's how. Plant bee-friendly flowers like lavender, sunflower, and clover. Skip pesticides that harm bees and butterflies. Buy local honey. You'll support small beekeepers and local ecosystems. Leave shallow water bowls outside so bees can drink. They get thirsty too. Even small changes can make a huge difference for bee populations and in turn our food supply. So the next time you drizzle some honey into your teas, take a second to thank the bees. They're tiny, but they're literally keeping us alive. If you learned something new today about honey, make sure you give this video a like and make sure you subscribe so you can see what I have coming for you guys every week. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.